And you mentioned how you structure the videos, okay, for your flipped classroom. We talked about how your videos that the upper baccalaureate program students watch and participate with is a little different from your younger students, okay? And then you said you also change the videos as the year progresses, right? You give them a little more responsibility. So could you expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, the videos has to be interactive. This is the key, yeah? So one idea is important is you have to add questions at the video, yeah? Because the students have to interactive with the video, eh? So for example, with young students, I think the teachers, the teacher have to learn how to watch a video. So at the beginning, you can watch your video at the class, students, and you take notes, yeah, while you are watching the videos with the students. You take notes and explain to your students how to discover the main information, the secondary ideas, yeah. And for example, you are the example for them, no? So you learn.
You're modeling for them.
Yeah, the model. Okay. So then the other day or next, you can say, well, now we'll watch the video together. I'm going to take notes, but you are going to take notes too. So then you can debate, yeah, with the students. For example, what is the most important information? What have you noted, me, and compare? So in this process, you have to learn. No, you have to teach the students to take notes. Yeah. The student have to earn in autonomy. So at the beginning you have to teach why you, how you have to watch the video, which is the way you watch the video and extract the main information. Okay, this is at the beginning. For example, and for me at the beginning of the course, yeah. The activities I give my students are very guided.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a paper Google Docs or something like this. You say, you watch this video and answer the question.
Right.
Or watch this video and discuss this with your student, with your partner, with your peer. Huh? It's like this, no? Watch, do that, now that. So guide.
Structured.
Yeah, but so structured. But then, I think you can try to give, okay, you have here 3 or 4 videos that explain the same thing, but in different ways.
Yes.
For example, an explanation in a whiteboard, and a 3D animation, or a computer animation, or something like this. Different ways, yeah, thinking about multiply intelligence.
Yes.
So different ways to explain the same concept. So I say my students, choose what you want, what you think that is better for you, for your way of learning. Choose one and try to answer this. Or for example, I give many activities, different activities, and I say, try to do one of them or 2 of them, or choose what you. And the idea is that they reflect and make an auto-reflect. And discover if I have learned.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So that's fantastic. So not just one video, you give them multiple resources that they can choose from based on the idea of Gardner that different students learn in different ways. So you give them those resources. Okay, very good. And I'm trying to think if there was anything else with multiple or with the videos that you mentioned to me, but I think that was it. Oh, I know what I wanted to ask you. The videos that you have your students create, you get to the point where they create their own as a project, yes? And how do you structure that for your students?
I have done with my highest students, for example, 12, K-12, K-12 in your
grade 12?
Yeah, pre-university students, more or less. 15.
Our equivalent AP students, your baccalaureate. Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay. AP students, for example, and I after they have studied the concepts, yeah, the last activity to review, they have to record a video. So I choose one of the items of the concept, and I say to my students, well, now you have to record a video explaining with your own words, with something you have at home, for example, balls, or depending, many material, usual daily material you have in your house. And I gave them, I think the most important thing is you give them the rubric. Rubric, you say?
Yes.
Rubric.
Yes, rubric.
Okay.
Right.
Because the student, when he has the rubric, you are saying with the rubric, what do you want they do?
Yes.
And how?
Yes.
So they know exactly
what you expect.
Yeah, and how I I don't know in English that I have to do to make a good job, a quality job.
Yes, to ensure that they turn in quality work.
So there are no doubts.
Yes.
That what's good, what's a good job, and what's medium or bad job.
So they have freedom to create the video as they like, but you give them a structured rubric. So you say, I expect this, this, and this.
Yeah.